It's called How to Reduce Your Smartphone Usage and Increase Your Productivity and the Quality Time in your life. We all have to admit we have certain degree of addiction to our smartphone. We can't put down our smartphone. We check our smartphone every second, every minute, just for no reason. Smartphone is so important.
It's so important.
It's so important today that we can do a lot of jobs.
We can do a lot of jobs.
A lot of jobs in just a second. I can do a transaction in a second without going to the bank. Without going to the bank. I can go anywhere in KL with the navigation app.
Such as
Waze and Google Navigation. But somehow today we are
stress the what, the but somehow
we are so addicted to it, and we have consumed a lot of unhealthy
a lot
of unhealthy time on it. So today I would like to offer you 3 tips.
No. Add on. According to research conducted by Gartner, a typical user like you and me spend at the minimum
3 hours a day.
5 hours a day.
5 hours a day
5 hours a day
on the handphone.
So today I would like
Can you imagine
the
things that you can do
thing you can do
if you can recover these 5 hours?
if you can recover this 5 hours
Yeah.
a day in your life?
Plenty of things, yes.
Plenty. So today I would like to offer you.
I would like to share with you.
Today I would like to share.
I would like to share
3 tips to reduce the.
3 tips that I have used
3 tips that I have used
to reduce.
to reduce the usage of my smartphone and increase my productivity.
Do you want to know?
Do you want
To know more?
To know more?
Yeah.
First,
Okay.
uninstall the Facebook and Instagram on your smartphone.
Go and take your phone. Take your phone. Go and take your phone. Go and take your phone. Where's your phone? Go and take your phone. Pretend lah. Go and take your phone. Open your phone. Open your phone. Open your phone. Look at my phone. I don't have Insta.
Look at my phone.
Show to Lion King. Look at my phone.
Look at my phone.
Closer. Go show to Lion King. I don't have Facebook.
I don't have Facebook and Instagram.
Show, come closer. At the beginning, it would be difficult. I face withdrawal symptoms. I face withdrawal symptoms.
Withdrawal symptom.
After uninstalling Facebook and Instagram. Yeah.
But after some time, I found that
I've overcome it.
I have overcome it.
And I appreciate the time that I have.
I appreciated the time I have
to climb rocks.
To do rock climbing.
Yeah, to climb rocks. And you can do the same thing.
And you can do this same thing.
To have more time to do the things that you like.
Actually, Facebook and Instagram is not work related.
Not related
to your works and your study. But consuming the content on the Facebook and Instagram will only wasted your time.
Yeah. Second, what your second three fingers?
Second,
Yes.
mute your phone and turn off all the notification. I want to share with you a true story.
Huh.
This is what happened to one of my friends. He is one of he's an entrepreneur.
This is something that happened to my friend
This is something happened to my friend. He is
Lee Chong Wei,
Lee Chong Wei,
who is an entrepreneur.
who is an entrepreneur.
Better give a name. Mr. Lee is
Mr. Lee is an outgoing person. He has a lot of friends.
a lot of
He has
friends.
a lot of friends. He told me his phone literally
Literally.
ringing every minute. He cannot stand it.
He cannot.
He cannot stand it. So he told me, at the end of the day, he decided to turn off his phone and see what will happen. So after 1 month, he found that his business not only going up,
Not only.
not go down, but going up.
Going up. What are we going up? Improving.
It's improving.
What are we going up? Improving.
Improving. So this story tell me that
This story proves
that by turning off the phone notification can improve your concentration and reduce your distractions.
Yeah, okay, good.
By checking your notification on your phone every minute, it will disturb your motivation on the work. You have to stop now and then pick up the momentum again to work. So
Right.
by turning off the notification on your phone,
Keep still, you walk
You can-
too much.
you can
You can be more focused
be more focused on your works and complete your works
within.
within a shorter time.
Okay, good. Number 3.
Number 3, turning off your phone 1 hour before you sleep. A lot of people like to like to check your phone before going to sleep.
Yeah.
And study shown by looking at the smartphone, the light.
Study shown by who? Study shown by Oxford University.
The study shown by Oxford University, by looking at the smartphone, the light at the smartphone will confuse your brain. Your brain will thought it is morning instead of night. Activate your brain. So instead, your brain preparing your body to be going to sleep, you activate your body. So once you want to go to sleep, your body will take longer time to go to sleep. So by turning off your smartphone before you going to sleep, it can prepare your body better to go to sleep, and then you have a better sleep and wake up the other day with more productive day.
At the beginning, I was skeptical of this advice.
I was skeptical about this advice.
Yeah. So I tried myself.
I
switched off my phone
I switched off my phone
1 hour.
1 hour before sleep.
And what I noticed was
my sleeping quality become better. And I wake up with a fresh and more productive. Feel more fresh and more productive.
Yes.
Therefore, I hope all of you can
Follow
my advice and tips
concerning
concerning
your handphone usage,
your handphone usage,
and I guarantee
you can have a more productive and spend more quality time with your family.
thank you.
Thank you.